come into a purpose-built building whose only focus in the design phase was creating a therapeutic environment for our patients and an outstanding work environment for our staff. It just made all the difference in the world.
I remember several years ago us announcing the new campaign that we're going to launch for mental health. And standing up right there at the podium at the time was Dr. Anson Koo. And he wasn't standing just in front of that podium, he was standing in front of the entire campaign. He was a true champion of making sure that mental health got the support it deserved as we move forward within a new hospital. Every step of the way, Dr. Anson Koo was there with us, working with our donors, making sure our foundation could be as successful as possible and supporting his program to be as successful as possible. He's such an articulate advocate for mental health within the region that I can't imagine where we would have been without him being such a leader during this important time.
I think a lot of us have seen him as a mentor and a role model. I had him as a supervisor when I was a resident, but he's also been a mentor to me, but also a really amazing colleague and actually got me started in a lot of ways in a lot of the jobs I do now. And I appreciate how he saw potential in me, and he does that for a lot of people, where he will see the potential and he'll really empower you to go forward and lead something, change something, make a difference.
When our foundation took on phase 1 of the redevelopment, the new mental health building, the $9.1 million goal was the largest fundraising effort we'd ever committed to in the history of the organization. We never would have taken it on if we didn't have the full confidence in Dr. Anson Koo and his leadership. Always thinking on the forefront of how mental health could be improved in the hospital and through our entire region for all our patients was Dr. Anson Koo.
I have found that without fail, in whatever context I have met donors, it's just been a real privilege seeing the kind of commitment and passion that our donors have for making healthcare in British Columbia that much better, and particularly here at the Royal Columbian Hospital, which does so much for the entire province.
Royal Columbian Hospital Foundation is pleased to recognize Dr. Anson Koo as a champion of philanthropy.